children. I am G. Farida, Mathematics CRT, Veluguppa KGBB. We are discuss about today 10th class new topic trigonometry. Trigonometry. It is a easy chapter, but so many students they have so many formulas. That's why students are feel difficult. But they are understand formulas and methods is a easiest chapter. First of all, what is a trigonometry? Trigonometry means 3 means 3. Conia means angle. Metric means measure. Then 3 angles measure. Trigonometry means measuring of a 3 angles. It is relation between angles and sides. Angles and sides. It is relation between angles and sides. Trigonometry means 3 means 3, conia means angle, and metric means measure. 3 angles measuring is a trigonometry. This relation between totally angles and sides. Then next we discuss about trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. They have 6 ratios are there. We are all know about in a right angle triangle. Which triangle it is? This is a right angle triangle. Put A, B, C. B has a right angle 90 degrees and A has a theta angle. It is a Pythagorean formula. What is the Pythagorean formula? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. It means AC means hypotenuse and AB means adjacent side and BC means opposite side. AC equal to hypotenuse and AB equal to adjacent side. And BC equal to opposite side. They have 3 sides of there. It is a Pythagorean theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square and AC is a hypotenuse, AB is adjacent side and BC is a opposite side. Next we know about ratios. First of all, sin theta. Sin theta means sin theta opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side means opposite side BC by hypotenuse AC. Next, cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC and third one is tan theta. Tan theta, it is right, is one more formula, sin theta by cos theta. And also tan theta formula, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. First of all, sin theta. Sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse, BC by AC. And cos theta formula, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means AC, AB by AC. Next, tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. Then we have sin theta is a opposite side by hypotenuse and cos theta is a adjacent side by hypotenuse. Denominator and denominator is a same. Hypotenuse is a cancel and opposite side by adjacent side. And next another one. Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta, it is a 1 by sin theta. 1 by, next another formula, 1 by sin theta, inverse of sin theta, equal to sin hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent side. 1 by sin theta means hypotenuse by hypotenuse by opposite side. And cosecant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. And also write as sin theta AC, hypotenuse AC by next opposite side BC. Next secant theta 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta means hypotenuse by adjacent side. Next it is right hypotenuse AC by AB. And next cot theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. And also write as cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. It means adjacent side by opposite side. These 6 formulas have trigonometric ratios. It has a trigonometric ratios. First of all, sin theta. Sin theta, second one cos theta, third one tan theta, fourth one cosecant theta, fifth one secant theta, next cot theta. Next we have discuss about and learn trigonometric values, angles values. Sin theta 0 degrees, degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. They have find out values of these 6 values, 6 formulas. Sin theta, cos theta, next secant theta, and last one cot theta. First of all 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degrees. First we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last number, which is the last number? 4. We have divided all numbers divided by 4. We have divided all numbers divided by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are equal to 1 by 2. Next 4 ones are 4 ones are 1. Next 1 by 4. 0 by anything is 0. Next they have values 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1. Total all values have square root. All values are square root. Root 0, root 1 by 4, root 1 by 2, root 3 by 4, root 1. Root 0 value is 0. Root 1 by 4 value is root 1 by root 4. Root 1 value 1, root 4 value 2, 1 by 2. Next, root 1 by 2, root 1 by root 2. They have root 1 value is 1 and all root 2. Next, root 3 by root 4 value 2. Next, root 1 value 1. And cos theta values, they have reverse 1 root 3 by 2, 1 root 3 by 2, right reverse order. 1 by root 2, next 1 by 2, 0. Tan theta formula is sin theta by cos theta. Sin by cos, 0 by 1. 0 by 1. 0 by 1, 0 by anything is 0. Next 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. Root 2, root 2 cancel 1 by root 3. Next 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel 1. Next 2, 2 cancel root 3. 1 by 0, infinity. Any 0 by anything is 0. But any number by 0 is it is a not defined. Not defined, this symbol is infinity. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta means they have right not defined. Not defined. Next, cosecant theta 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 equal to not defined. Next, 1 by 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. They have denominator is 2. Fraction is reverse 2. Next 1 by 1 by root 2. Root 2. Next 1 by root 3 by 2. 2 by root 3. Next 1 by 1 equal 1 by 1 equal to 1. They have right to reverse order. 1. Next 2 by root 3 and root 2. Next 2 not defined. Next cot theta also write reverse order in tan theta values. Not defined. And root 3 1 1 by root 3 0. These have values of 0 to 90 degrees, 0 to 90 degrees sin ratios values. Stop. In page number 275, example 1. If tan A is equal to, example 1. If tan A equal to 3 by 4, Then find the other trigonometric ratio of angle A. Trigonometric ratio of angle A. We get in a right angle triangle A, B, C. In a Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We have tan A is equal to 3/4. Tan A equal to 3/4. Tan formula opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is 3k. Tan constant k is a constant number. Next adjacent side 4k. We find out first of all hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is a AC. Hypotenuse is AC. AC square equal to AB value 4k whole square plus BC value 3k whole square. 4k whole square. 4 square means 4 4s are 16 and k square means k square plus 3 3s are 9. Next k square. K square is a common. 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 equal to 25 k square. Hypotenuse equal to AC square equal to 25 k square. AC is equal to root of 25 k square. Root 25 value is 5 and k square value is k. Therefore, AC is equal to 5k. AC hypotenuse equal to 5k. Next, remaining ratios. First of all, they have tan A, sin A. Sin A equal to sin A formula opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side 3k by hypotenuse 5k equal to 3/5. Next, cos A equal to cos adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then AB by AC. Adjacent AB 4k and 5k equal to 4/5. Next, tan is also known as 3/4 and cot A is equal to 1/tan A equal to 4/3. It is opposite of tan. Next, cosecant A. Cosecant A equal to cosecant A formula hypotenuse AC opposite BC. AC 5k opposite 3k. 5k 3k equal to 5/3. Next, secant A equal to secant adjacent side hypotenuse by adjacent AC by AB. AC by AB. AC value 5k by AB value 4k. 5/4. Next, another example 3. Consider a triangle PQR right angled at R in which PQ equal to 29 units, QR equal to 21 units and angle PQR equal to theta. Then find the values of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. First, they have given right angle at R. right angle at R. Next, in which PQ equal to QR equal to 21 units. QR, Q, P. They have a theta and a right angle triangle. 29, 21. Why? Because PQ equal to 29 and QR equal to 21. Then find out another angle, PR angle. PQ equal to 29, QR equal to 21. Next, another angle PR. PR equal, we find out PR. First of all, we have a hypotenuse equal to PQ. Opposite side, it is a opposite side. Then they have angle is theta is Q. Then this is opposite side. This is adjacent side. Why? Because theta have a Q place and R has a right angle triangle 90 degrees. Opposite side. We find out opposite side. AC in a Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC. AC square is plus BC square. We found out here PQ square equal to PR square plus QR square. PQ is 29 whole square. 29 whole square. PR square plus QR is 21 whole square. Stop. 29 square is 841. PR square plus 21 square is 441. They have PR square in a right side. Next 841 plus 441 this side coming 441. 110, 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 4 4. PR square equal to 400. PR equal to root of 400 equal to 20. 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros have 0. It is a 20 as a opposite side. We find out first of all sin theta. Sin theta opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side means PR by hypotenuse PQ. PR value 20 units and PQ value 29. Next, cos theta. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side QR by hypotenuse PQ. QR value QR value is 21 and PQ value is 29. Sin theta equal to 20 by 29 and cos theta is equal to 21 by 29. First in this problem, first problem is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta 21 by 29, 21 by 29 whole square plus sin square theta 20 by 29, 20 by 29 whole square. They have denominators are same 29, 29, 841. 21 square, 441 plus 20 into 20, 400. They have addition 841 by 841. Ones are 841 ones are. They have answer is 1. cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Next, second one, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta, cos value is 21 by 29. 21 by 29 whole square minus sin theta value is 20 by 29 whole square. Then denominators are same. They have 841. 21 into 21, 441 minus 20 into 20, 400. 29 into 29, 841. Next, this subtraction 841, 441 minus 400 by 841. They have subtraction 41 by 841. This is the answer of second one. Stop. In exercise 11.1, page number 277, same first example, second example problems have there 1 and 2 and 3. We are worked out in home. Fourth problem also same as this. Next, fifth problem, it is some difference have. I am explaining exercise 11.1, fifth problem. If 3 tan A equal to 4, find sin A and cos A. Sin A and cos A. 3 tan A equal to 4. It is we know that first example 4 by 5. Then tan A equal to 3 is a multiplication and they coming in outside 4 by 3. It is a opposite side by adjacent side. We find out which values we find out. Already we have opposite side and adjacent side. We find out hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, A, B, C. Next, opposite value is 4 and adjacent value is 3. We find out hypotenuse value. Hypotenuse value AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This chapter we know children, all in this first exercise totally this formula is used. Pythagoras formula. It is a hypotenuse square equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Hypotenuse square is hypotenuse equal to AC square equal to AB 3 square plus BC 4 square. Next, AC square equal to 3 square, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. AC square is equal to 25. AC equal to root 25 equal to 5. AC value is 5. We find out sin A. Sin A opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC by hypotenuse AC. BC value for hypotenuse 5. Next, cos A value. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side AB by AC. AB value is 3. AC value is 5. Cos A is equal to 3 by 5. And children, this topic and we practice these problems another time in home. Next, we discuss another class about exercise remaining problems.